SpeedBox. Break the limits. SpeedBox 3.0 for Brose specialized, optionally with B.Tuning. Necessary tools. Step 1. Removing the cover. Step 2. SpeedBox Installation. Step 3. Cover assembly. Step 4. Tuning control. You can activate the tuning by brief activation of the walk function. When 99 in kilometer mode is displayed, the SpeedBox is on. When 25 in kilometer mode is displayed, the SpeedBox is off. You can also activate the tuning by switching between two assistance modes twice. You can set the maximum speed of the electrical assistance by switching the modes quickly in the order shown in the video. The maximum speed of the electrical assistance can be set by brief activation of the walk function. The last displayed limit will be saved after 5 seconds of inactivity. The maximum speed of the electrical assistance can also be set by spinning the rear wheel. If you have the B.Tuning version, you can pair your e-bike with a SpeedBox app. This mobile application allows you to monitor your performance, view diagnostic data of your e-bike, control the tuning and save your trips. Non-B.Tuning versions do not have a Bluetooth technology, and cannot be paired with your smartphone. The SpeedBox app home screen displays your riding data and information about both yours and your motor's power and energy consumption. The diagnostics part then shows even detailed parameters of your ride, e-bike and battery. In settings you may change the PIN or service password, reset the chip, set the speed warning or speed limit.